Hi, you're watching Patadendron. In today's video, I am in Fallbrook, California, here at Melrose Succulents. There's so many plants. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new here, hi, welcome. I'm Patrick, and I love plants. And if you do too, you should definitely hit that subscribe button because I love going on these planty adventures and taking you along with. So if that sounds like something that could be fun for you, then you should definitely hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I am here in Fallbrook. It's quite the distance from where I normally go plant shopping. We are in between like Orange County and San Diego, more inland though, but they have a really cool nursery and tons to see. Lots of beautiful, healthy plants. So it's gonna be a fun one. Let's go plant shopping. Wow, there's so many plants here. Love these stapelias. Tons of Hoya variegata, and oh, look at this leaf, so big. And there's regular Hoya. I think this is a part of their weekend sale. Yes, they are part of the sale. These are $12 for the 4-inch, and these are $5. That's really good, right? Ooh, there's some nice full ones too. These 6-inch variegated carry-eyes are $30, which I think is really good too. And these are $20. These 4-inch Hoya latifolias are $11. Isn't that good? There's 6-inch ones if they have any left, and those should be $20. Got little baby monkey tails. These are great. Great trailing cactus. Ooh, I wonder how much these silver swords are. These are mature. And look at all of these Monstera Adansonii. These are in the huge 8-inch pots. Really cool. That's interesting. I wonder why it's doing that. I think this is the Philodendron pedatum, but it's got that weird anomaly going on. And more silver swords. Oh, yeah, so beautiful. Whoa, I think these are really mature Rhaphidophora decursivas. Yeah, the dragon tail. These are cool. These are in really big 8-inch pots. And I've never seen them so mature. And oh, I'm loving these silver swords. You see that? Standeliana. That's cool. You don't see that very often. That's a Monstera, by the way. Monstera Standeliana. Whoa. Nice 8-inch pots of the variegated Hoya carnosa compacta. And tons of, these are Peperomia hopes. I love these peperomias. This is the one peperomia, one of the few peperomias that I will recommend to a beginner. These are 12 bucks too. Ooh, these are pretty. These are part of the sale. I think these are 25 each. This is so much fun. There's so many plants and there's a whole other greenhouse. So let's check that out. Oh, loving these caladiums. These are part of the sale. These are $10, and I'm liking this one. I think that one's really pretty. So is this. Love that baby leaf. You see that in there, in the middle? Let me zoom in. So pretty. Wow, I'm seeing more and more of these. Well, more in this area. The North San Diego, well, this is Fallbrook. But yeah, like here south, I'm seeing a lot more of these Hoya Wyattei variegatas. That's really cool. They're really pretty too. I never realized how pretty they are. I love that sun-stressed look. They look like watercolor, right? These are part of the sale. These are 15. If I didn't already have a few of these, I think I have 2. I would get one, but oh, there's one. Oh, I see a nice robust looking plant back there. Nice. These are 15. Did I already mention that? So these 6-inch macrophyllus or latifolias are 20. And look how pretty these Aglianima are. These are gorgeous. Ponytail palms. These are cute. Alocasia pink dragon. One thing they always have are really beautiful begonia maculatas. And today is no exception. Ooh, so these platyceriums caught my eye because I noticed these spring cacti, and I noticed these behind it. I think this is the superbum, maybe the Platycerium superbum, and it's gorgeous. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. These get huge. Here's some Peperomia polybatria. Isn't that pretty? Peperomia inflorescens don't usually like wow me, but these are just really pretty. For some reason, it's nice. Beautiful Calathea macquayana. Nice big leaves. Oh, that's so pretty. Wow, these Brazils are so pretty. Aren't they just different? Very subtle, but very pretty. Look at that. It's like green on green. Love these. Some really big Pachira aquaticas. cute little flowers from the Ceropegia woodii string of hearts. And then look at how cool all of these crested euphorbias are. These are grafted, but they're really cool. The longest Philodendron hederaceums. These are beautiful. Oh, here's another Brazil. This leaf caught my eye. It was winking at me. So pretty. So nice and long. Philodendron lichens. I just wish everything was priced, but you know, everything's been pretty fairly priced. Ooh, alocasia lowriders. Never seen so many in one spot. Starting to see these more and more. It's really cool seeing more and more alocasias being available, actually. Love that. Some neon pothos. The color on those Syngonium Marias are so beautiful. Whoa, look at that. Hoya obovata. So big. I think that's part of the sale. Yeah, that's so good. That 6-inch, those 6-inch pots, they're very, very full. They are $18. Monstera perus, these are nice and full. I'm not quite sure how much they are, but these are the Hoya obovatas, more up close. Oof, is that enough to tempt me? I have one that I've been growing from a little cutting. Ooh, this one's pretty. Sego palm. If you watched my pet safe video, watch to the end at least. This was on there. Very poisonous to pets. Keep them away. Keep them out of their reach. Oh, look at that. It's extra trappy with its flower. Look at how cute that is. So pretty. Begonias are really gorgeous. They're just hard to keep gorgeous. These Rex ones especially. Wow, look how pretty. Intervariegated Hoya carrii. And this beauty. Look at all of its peduncles. Oh, and some are open. How pretty. It smells like chocolate. Wow. Such a gorgeous Hoya. Hoya carnosa compacta. Ooh. My favorite, Maranta lemon lime. So gorgeous. Oh look, these Calathea lancifolias, the rattlesnake Calathea. Looks like they all think it's nighttime. Well, this lipstick plant is so full. Love that. I have regular anthuriums and more Rhaphidophora tetraspermas. They always have a ton of Begonia maculatas, and look at all that. $20 Hoya macrophyllus. This one's nice and full. They have a ton of really beautiful succulents here too. Of course, with a name like Melrose Succulents, you kind of have to expect that. They have more stapelias. Ooh, one of my favorite ficus, the Ficus petiolaris. So beautiful. It's got these really cute heart-shaped leaves, pink veins. What more could you ask for? Oh, and a caudex. It's a caudiciform. Cool, right? Ooh, some crown of thorns. And these juicy string of watermelons. Aren't they so plump? So full. 8-inch pots of Hoya lacunosa. Never seen that. I just never seen them so big and so full, you know? Ooh, here's a nice 8-inch Hoya obovata. Love it. These colors drew me in. This pretty echeveria. And these Tradescantia zebrinas. These are gorgeous. See there. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but these leaves sparkle. They sparkle and shine. That was a lot of fun. I had a lot of fun. I'm so glad I came because I found two beautiful plants. I already paid for these. I got this caladium. I just thought it was so pretty. And look, if you look closely, there is an inflorescence right there. Interesting, and I just thought the foliage is so beautiful. Love it. And I'm also getting this. I could not resist. I did not think I'd be getting a Hoya obovata, but this one was just so full and so beautiful. Love it. Definitely recommend coming here. I've come here like a few times, and every time I've fallen in love with plants, so definitely a great place to stop if you're going to San Diego. I had a lot of fun. I hope you did too, and if you like this video, you know what to do. Please throw me a bone and give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my plant videos, come plant shopping with me. Hit that subscribe button. I can't wait to see you in the next video. I just don't want to miss you too much, so if you could show me some love in the comments, and I'll meet you there. Bye!